What if I told you this unassuming 1968 Australian coupe hides a heart that roars like an American muscle car? Today, we're unleashing the legendary HK Monaro GTS 327, a car that doesn't just turn heads, it makes the ground shake. Buckle up, because what you're about to see is pure adrenaline on wheels. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a true Australian muscle icon, the 1968 Holden HK Monaro GTS 327. Before we get started, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss a moment of automotive history brought to life in ultra-luxury detail. Now, buckle up, because what we're about to experience is more than just a car. It's a rolling legend, a masterpiece of design, and an adrenaline-packed symphony on wheels. 327 isn't just any coupe. Released in 1968, it represented the peak of Holden's ambition to create a performance-oriented vehicle that could rival anything from the United States while staying true to Australian roots. And let me tell you, this wasn't just a Monaro. The GTS 327 was a serious performer, packing the mighty 327 cubic inch Chevrolet V8 under its sculpted bonnet. That's 5.4 liters of pure, unadulterated power, producing a torque-rich punch that made this car a sensation on the streets and the track alike. Let's talk design. From the moment you lay eyes on the HK Monaro GTS 327, it's impossible not to be captivated. The body is pure, aggressive, and refined all at once. Its sweeping fastback lines and muscular stance announce its intentions without uttering a word. That HK series front grille, the subtly flared guards, and the GTS badging perched proudly on the rear quarters, every detail screams performance wrapped in sophistication. And the paintwork on this example, a deep, lustrous shade of Monaro Red that seems to capture the light and hold it, reflecting it in a way that makes the curves of the body come alive like liquid fire. Step inside, and the interior is an ode to 1960s craftsmanship. This Monaro GTS 327 features bucket seats upholstered in black vinyl with contrast stitching, a wraparound dash adorned with chrome accents, and the iconic three-spoke steering wheel that feels like it was forged for precision driving. Every control, every switch, every gauge has been thoughtfully placed, not just for aesthetics, but for the driving experience. You're not just sitting in a car, you're commanding a machine designed for exhilaration. Now, the heart of this beast, the 327 V8 engine, built for performance and tuned for excitement. This engine delivers a brutal combination of smoothness and raw power. The exhaust note alone is enough to send shivers down your spine, deep throaty, and unmistakably American in character, yet perfectly at home in this Australian icon. With a 4-speed manual transmission, the driver feels every connection to the road, every shift, every surge of acceleration. You're not just driving, you're orchestrating a symphony of engineering marvels where timing, technique, and raw energy combine into pure automotive poetry. Let's talk performance numbers, because this Monaro wasn't just about looks. In stock trim, the 327 V8 produced around 250 horsepower, but when you factor in the engine's torque curve, its lightweight coupe chassis, and the GTS suspension tuning, the HK Monaro could hustle from 0 to 60 in under 7 seconds, a remarkable feat for 1968. And on the track, it wasn't just quick, it was planted, precise and poised, capable of taking corners with confidence while leaving a trail of admirers in its rear view. But what really sets this car apart is the balance it strikes between luxury and raw performance. Unlike some of the American muscle cars of the era, the Monaro GTS 327 offered a sense of refinement. The ride is firm but compliant, the handling nimble yet stable, and the cabin surprisingly quiet at cruising speeds. It's a car that invites you to drive it every day, yet rewards you with an adrenaline rush the moment you drop the hammer on an open stretch of tarmac. Of course, the Monaro's value today goes far beyond performance. It's a collector's dream, a time capsule of automotive history, and a statement of taste. This particular example, chassis number 80737, has been meticulously maintained, preserving its originality while showcasing the timeless elegance of the HK series. From the pristine engine bay to the flawless interior, every inch of this car tells a story of passion, precision, and Australian muscle heritage. And let's not forget the cultural significance. The HK Monaro GTS 327 wasn't just a car, it was a symbol of ambition, innovation, and the rise of Holden as a powerhouse in the performance arena. it competed head-to-head with Ford and Chrysler, carving out a legacy that enthusiasts still celebrate today. Every time you fire up the V8, you're connecting to that history, feeling the pulse of a car that defined an era. Now, imagine this: you're behind the wheel, the polished wheels gripping the asphalt, the V8 growling like a beast awakened, and every eye on the street turns as you glide by. This isn't just driving, it's commanding attention, making a statement, and honoring a piece of automotive history that few cars can match. It's a rolling sculpture, a mechanical masterpiece, and an icon that continues to inspire awe decades after it first hit the roads of Australia. Whether you're a collector, a gearhead, or someone who simply appreciates beauty in motion, the HK Monaro GTS 327 delivers an experience that transcends numbers and specs. It's about emotion, passion, and the thrill of connecting with a car that's as alive as the day it was built. From the glint of chrome to the roar of the V8, from the feel of the leather steering wheel to the sight of its sleek fastback silhouette, every detail has been crafted to create a visceral, unforgettable experience. So, next time you see a 1968 Holden HK Monaro GTS 327, don't just admire it, respect it, understand it, and appreciate the genius behind its creation. It's more than steel and paint. It's a statement, a legacy, and a testament to what happens when passion meets precision. If you love this deep dive into one of Australia's finest muscle machines, make sure you hit like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more cinematic journeys through automotive history. Trust me, this is just the beginning. We've got countless more icons, legends, and rare masterpieces coming your way, each with their own story, soul, and pulse. Thanks for joining me on this ride. Until next time, keep your engines running, your eyes on the horizon, and remember, true automotive artistry never goes out of style.